Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambu from Cloud Tech. Today's session I am going to demonstrate if you want to install the Ant on your system, then how we can do that on a Windows system. Okay guys, so this is the Apache Ant. This is the download page here, and here are the some of the release like 1.9.16 release, and the zip file is there, tar also there, like a binary version, like if you want to install in the Linux system. And if you want to install the 1.9.16, it's required minimum Java like 5, and if you want to install 1.10.14 release, then it requires Java 8. Okay guys, so based as per your need you can install the Ant version here. So if you for Windows, let's click on zip version. Okay guys, so now I am installing, I have downloaded both the versions. So let's go here. So in our today's demo, let's install that 1.9 point this one 16. Okay, and just extract this one. And meantime, the let's see that Ant is already there or not. So how we can check that? So just go here CMD, and Ant is not recognized as an internal or external command, right? So let us install that Ant. So now extract is going on. So let's complete this. Once it is completed, right, then we need to set up the environment variable in that advanced settings, like we have done in my previous session, like Maven as well as the Java. Same thing we will do for that this Apache Ant also. So that this is like how Maven is the kind of build system mechanism, right? So Ant also one kind of build mechanism. If you want to build your project by using this Ant, then you can we need to set up this Ant. And if you want to build your project, or if you want to create your project by Maven, then we need to set up the Maven setup. Okay guys, but both the case Java is needed. Okay guys, that point just keep in mind. So wait for 2 or 3 minutes. So I hope this will complete. Just wait. 72% is completed. So meantime, let's go to the advanced system settings. Okay, and we need to go to environment variable. And in this environment variables, basically what we are going to do is like we are going to set up that like and home, like we have done the Maven home, right? Similarly we will do the and home, and we'll set up the path variable. Okay guys, so let's see if that Apache and Maven is there. So let us check install or not. Yeah, Apache and is came here. Go to the bin and go to the bin, still bin. Okay guys, so let's take this one and go to the system variable and just click one, and home. And in this we are going to add that sorry, and home. So not bin, up to home we are going to add here. And in this path variable we are going to add that path. Okay, so let's do that and click on OK. Click on OK. Now let us try that again. This CMD won't work since we have already opened this one before this, and if we open new one, so let's try again. So let's try CMD, and see, now Ant is coming. So this is how we can set up the Ant, and we can use the Ant like and list some kind of build file. If you have build.xml, like a Maven need the pom.xml, right, and need the build.xml. If you have build.xml, then you can build these sticks or install or deploy whatever packages you want. You can do that. Okay, I hope this session will helpful to you guys, and if you feel this video is valuable, then I will request you guys, please subscribe my channel and share surrounding with your friend. That will really inspire to me. It will help to me to create such kind of content. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Chalo, bye.